The Marineshield is a state-of-the-art impressed current cathodic protection system specifically designed for marine jetties. It is modular, easy to install and easily scalable and offers ease of maintenance that is unparalleled. The Marineshield uses mixed metal oxide anodes designed to provide a service life in excess of 30 years. These are mounted on the marine jetty below the water level and spaced at intervals, ranging from 5 to 15 meters. Each Marineshield module consists of 6 anode units. These make up the anode array of each module. In addition, each module has a dedicated sensor that provides feedback on the system performance. All connections in the modules are hermetically sealed, thereby providing long-term durability. All wires and cables are neatly routed in the marine jetty capping beam into dedicated enclosures that are placed in strategically located manholes. In this way, the Marineshield components do not interfere with marine jetty operations. From the enclosure, a single power and monitoring multi-core cable is routed to a multi-channel DC power supply unit. Each module consists of an anode array, enclosure and DC power supply unit. Each module can protect up to 75 meters. The ease of installation saves installers time and money, while the modular nature of the Marineshield provides end users with the combination of a high degree of protection while keeping running costs at a minimum.